Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of Computer Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall a program and completely remove it from your system. Now, if you have a program that you don't want anymore and you want to uninstall it from the computer, you can do it from your Windows 10 and 11 system. Uh, and the way you would do that is you would go to the control panel and go over here to programs and features. Double click on that and it'll bring up a list of the installed programs on your computer. Now you can uninstall that from here, but the only trouble with doing it this way is that when you uninstall it using the program supplied by Windows, it leaves the folders and registry entries on your computer. And if you uninstall a lot of programs using this method, then you've got a lot of orphan folders and registry entries that can gum up your system. But I'm going to show you a piece of software that I found that will completely remove the program and the registry entries and folders. If we take a look here, if you go to Revo Uninstaller, if you do a Google search, you can find it here. It's the top one. Now, I'm going to be using the free version. They do have a paid version that you can use, but the free version works just as good as anything that I've found. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. And what we want to do here is I'm going to remove this CapCut software here. This came in a bundle with a piece of software that I had downloaded. I don't use this to edit videos or anything. I have my own software that I want to use that for. So I don't need this on my computer anymore. So we're going to remove that here. So we're going to go up here to the Revo Uninstaller and I'm going to come down here to where it says CapCut and I'm going to double click that and it's going to come up here and you can see here it's got a check where it says make a system restore point before uninstalling. Now I don't want to make a system restore point. I'm not going to uninstall this reinstall this into the computer. I want to completely remove it. So I'm going to uncheck that because I don't want to restore point and I'm going to hit continue. And then it's going to start uninstalling and you just go through the steps here in uninstall and go with complete. And then you'll come to this uh, window right here. Now, by default, this is set to advanced, and this is what you want to do. This is going to remove all of the registry entries and the orphan folders that were left behind by the uninstaller. So what we want to do is just leave this the way it is and hit scan, and it's going to start scanning your computer for orphan entries and orphan folders here. So it depending on the size of the program, it can take a little bit of time. So we're just going to let this scan and it take about a minute and a half to 2 minutes here. Maybe not that long, but we're going to give it a shot here. And it should be finished momentarily. We're just watching the bar go by and it did complete here. Now, here is all the orphan registry and folder entries that were left behind by the uninstaller. So what we want to do is we want to come down here and hit select all and then we want to delete. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete the selected items? Hit yes. And it's going to scan that. So we're just waiting for that and we'll see if there's anything left in there. Usually there's some orphan folders left over after the system deletes the registry entries, so we'll see how many folders are left when it gets done with its scan here. Okay, and here we have all the the empty folders that were left behind that we want to get rid of. So again, we're going to hit select all and we're going to hit delete. And again, it asks you, are you sure you want to delete the selected items? Yes, I do. So we're going to do that, and it's going to go through and it's going to delete these orphan folders and other entries it finds. And it's going through there. Now it's stopped here, but just wait a little bit because it's finishing up, and this should disappear momentarily, and it did. So it's completed the removal of the program. Now I will tell you, when you install the Revo Uninstaller, when you open it up, it's going to ask you for permission for administrative permission. So just be aware of that. Just click yes, and then the uninstaller will come up, and you can use it as normal. But it does ask for administrative permissions so that it can get rid of the folders and registry entries on your system. I've never had a problem with this piece of software. It's always done pretty good job for me getting rid of the original program and the orphan folders and registry entries. And this is what I use all the time to get rid of my unwanted programs. So that's it. And I hope you like this video and it helps you out. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And till next time, everybody, take care and bye bye.